Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can fix this error. See, on my Samsung mobile, when I'm trying to install WhatsApp, it is just getting stuck here, and if I open YouTube and try to play some video, there was a problem with the server 400 and I have the internet connection. See, there is internet connection and proper signal here, proper signal. Still there is no internet. Even I tried with the Wi-Fi, the same error. How you can fix this? You can fix this easily by just turning on your airplane mode once and turn it off again. So this quickly refreshes the network. See, back online. If there are videos appearing on the screen, that means the problem has been fixed. If not, we can go for further solutions. So if the problem still persists, what you can do is you can just restart your mobile. So just check whether the problem got resolved. I'll be back once it is restart. See, the mobile got restart just now. So I'll be opening the YouTube. If this step also doesn't work, you need to update Google Play services or update the YouTube app. And see here, right away after the restart, it has shown me like you need to update the YouTube app. Once you update, check whether it is working. If not, you need to update the Google Play services also. I'll show you how you can update that one also. See, it is getting updated. Even the internet on this mobile is quite low, so that could be one of the reason. So it's almost updated. Yeah, 100% right. See, now I'm just trying to open this and still it is saying like update your app. So now what I'll do is, okay, still it is installing. Let it install, and meanwhile what I'll do is I'll be updating the Play services also. Google Play services, where is this? So instead of like this, what I'll do is I'll be clicking on this Android settings, then I'll be going to the apps here, then all the apps, and I'll be clicking on the three dots and click on show system apps. Then here I'll be searching as Play services, Play services. So here I'll be scrolling to the bottom and click on app details in the store. So this is how I need to open Google Play services. There is no update available here, so this is up to date, so no worries. Just I need to update the YouTube itself and fine, the problem will be resolved. Yeah, it is still installing, right? Yes, successful. It is completely installed. Now I'll be opening this. Yeah, this is working perfectly fine. Now I can just search anything. Okay, so the error was completely gone. Just flight mode, restart, then update. These things you can do. See, this is due to the low internet. Okay, I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.